In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the grid method to copy an image. The box on the right is where I want to copy the image to. But first, let's set up a boundary box on the reference image. We draw the bottom line, but make sure that the bottom line touches the base of the image. The vertical line for the box on the right is at 90 degrees to the horizontal, and it also must touch the right hand side of the image. We'll complete the boundary box. The line on the left and the line on the top is the same. They all must touch the edge of the image. Make sure you have a perfect boundary box with lines 90 degrees to each other. Next, we will draw the grids. We will draw a 4x4 grid. The way to do it is to split the horizontal into 4 equal parts, half and then a quarter. This line splits the box horizontally in equal halves, top and bottom. To further split the top half into quarters, we will split the top half into 2 again. Do the same for the bottom half. And for the vertical lines, it is the same as the horizontal lines. We have now our 4x4 grid. We will do the same thing on the right hand side. It doesn't matter if the box on the right is big or small, as long as you get the proportions right. How you do your grids on the reference image, you do the same thing on the box on the right. Notice that I split halves and the quarters by estimation. Alternatively, you can use a ruler to measure the length and then divide the length by 4. I didn't do a good job estimating the horizontal lines. We will fix the horizontal lines later. Now the vertical lines are marked out in precise intervals. We will get back to the top horizontal quarter. Now the grid on the right is ready, and we will prepare to transfer the design to the right. Again, if you want your design to be large, then you draw a larger box. If you want your design to be small, then you draw a smaller box. As long as you keep the proportions right, you should get it. We begin by marking points on the reference image. You can have as many points as you want, but you do not want to complicate it. The points in the middle of a straight line, they are not really necessary, but if you need them, draw them. However, if you have curves, then those in-between points will be necessary. When you are done plotting on the reference image, it is time to plot the same points on the right. You can plot and draw along, or you can plot all the points and then draw. It is up to you. It really doesn't matter. Let's go, finish it. Remember to draw your lines lightly first. You can always outline them when you're done. Some points you need to estimate, especially those in between the boxes. Some points are more straightforward, for example this one at the intersection. As soon as you're done, outline time. Now, what is this? What is these closely packed parallel lines? answer coming up. If the design is copied on the workpiece, then the shaded part will be the waste part. If you use a scroll saw, the shaded part are the parts that you will throw into the dustbin.